Want to know how to use import method in Java? So next up, let's see how importing works in Java. Sometimes you need tools that aren't built into basic language. That's where import comes in. So for example, if you want to take user input, so which in this code we are doing it, we need to just simply add import Java util scanner as an import as it's imported. It creates an object like scanner sc equals to new. So for that we need to type it in as well. So you can see on the line 5. This is used and we use it to read input. Our code asks for your name and it just prints out hello in name right here, as you can see. So this import Java util is basically the beginning of scanner sc and sc next line, etc. Basically adding user inputs, and that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. So right here you can see our code has been printed as well. Okay, bye bye.